Hello everybody, this is Keystrokes Coding, and today we're going to be solving this B elimination problem from codeforces. You can go on the site and check it out, read it through, and I'm just going to jump straight to the solving. So firstly, obviously, we're going to include let me just open the question on another page, like so. And there. Just gonna need the input. So in test cases, and seeing test cases for int I equals 0. I'm gonna need this test cases, this for loop to go through each test case. I less than test cases. A, B, C, and D for each number. Then we're gonna go if Cn A, B, C, D, like so. If A plus B is greater than C plus D, then we return or rather let's use a vector to store all the results for all the test cases. So vector, we're gonna use a dynamic array since we are not sure how many will be in there, how many answers per test case. Now we could use the indicator for test cases, but we'll just go ahead and use a vector for this one. It's easier. Let's push back. A plus B, else push back. C plus D, like this. Return 0. We're gonna put this here. The terminators. Then we're gonna wanna print out everything that's in the dynamic array. So for auto, we're gonna use, let's just call it X. So cout X XO. Though we're gonna need a new line every time here. And let's submit. Oh, let me choose a problem. Elimination.